Alright, we got a 2016 Range Rover Sport. We're going to be doing the rear brake pads and rotors. First thing you got to do is put it into a maintenance mode. There's a way to do it without the scan tool, but I have one and I'm going to make it easy for myself and everybody else. Put one in the link in the description, that'll be easier. But first things first, every scan tool is different, but find your electronic parking brake special function. And then the first thing we'll do is we will, let's see here, release to service position. There we go. Alright, set it to off. Or release to service. Perfect, so it's doing its thing now. You can get it lifted now once it's all finished up and start to take the wheels off. Alright, 22 millimeter. It's a 13 millimeter to take the caliper off. Next thing we'll do is start to disconnect and pull off our brake pad sensor. You can follow it from here, follow which one it is, and then we can use a pop-up clip, pop it out, disconnect it, so then we can pull this caliper all the way out and pull this brake pad wear sensor off. We got a 12.15 millimeter, pull this caliper back off. Pull these brake pads off too. Definitely needed it. We got a T50 to take off this bolt that holds the rotor. So in order to get this piston back in the caliper, we gotta use a brake caliper tool. There's a bunch of adapters you can get. You can get this one at AutoZone, I think. OEM brand, whatever. Works pretty good. Get some grease on the back of the brake pads. Nothing too much, just enough so you don't get any noises. After we are plugged back on, we'll do the other side. Don't think I need to do a video for that because it's the same exact thing.